Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Classroom. Open the class you want to leave and sign into the correct Google account. Once done, tap or click the People tab to confirm whether you're a student or guardian. Make sure to check for any pinned announcements or attached materials you need to save, download files, or take screenshots now. Then locate the three-dot menu or the student list entry for your name so you can access the removal or leave option directly. Now perform the leave action. Click the three-dot menu on the class card or the menu next to your name and people and choose Leave Class. You do this because Classroom treats leaving as an intentional removal from class rosters. Confirm the prompt to finalize. If you're a guardian, remove the link from the student's profile instead. After leaving, Classroom will immediately revoke access to class materials and assignments, so double-check you saved anything. Complete the process by returning to your classes to verify the class disappeared. You should no longer receive notifications. If the class still appears, sign out, clear the browser cache or update the Classroom app, then sign in again. This forces sync. If problems continue, ask the teacher to remove you from the roster or check school account restrictions. They can unenroll you from the admin console. Finally, make sure future invites are blocked if you don't want re-enrollment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.